Uh, Present on the days, MLA Lobo, MLA Shivalim Constituency, ESG Vice Chairman, Bruno Coutinho, Arjuna Awardee, a famous footballer, ex-captain, Faust, Manoj, our ex-ZP, Sarpanch of Kandalin Place, our Deputy Sarpanch, Geeta Parab, all the other Sarpanches, ward members, Deputy Sarpanches, proud parents who are sitting over here, all the winners who are over here of the medals. I don't know everybody personally, but I have seen you all on the TV, and it was a proud moment. I used to see on my mobile that every now and then we used to get receive messages that India got gold, India got bronze, India got silver. Sorry, Goa. Not India, Goa. And we used to feel proud. And then in the evening, all the channels used to show you all. And I think you all were also feeling very, very proud. Finally, Goa got representation. And when we say Goa got representation, you are the people who made us proud. We have very, very famous personalities over here in sports, Katya, Dane. They have made Goa proud for many, many years now. And we are waiting to see them, not nationally, because they are already there nationally. We are waiting to see them internationally. Like that, there are many other students over here, young boys and girls. They also want to excel. They also want to win medals for the country. And we are all dreamers. And we are all dreaming that one day I will achieve this. One day I will achieve my goal. 100% you will achieve.